Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your identity theft with LifeLock, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what identity theft is and its potential consequences. Familiarize yourself with the types of identity theft, including financial, medical, and social security theft. Research LifeLock and its services for identity protection. Visit the official LifeLock website to explore the plans available. Choose a plan that fits your needs based on your lifestyle and level of protection required. Create an account by providing the necessary personal information, such as your name, address, and email. Set up security questions to help protect your account and ensure you can recover it if needed. Link your financial accounts, including bank accounts and credit cards, to monitor any. Enable notifications for any changes or alerts regarding your identity and accounts. Utilize the dark web monitoring feature to alert you if your personal information is found on illicit sites. Regularly review your credit report, which LifeLock provides access to, for discrepancies or unauthorized accounts. Take advantage of the credit freeze option if necessary, which prevents new accounts from being opened in your name. Familiarize yourself with the restoration services offered by LifeLock should you become a victim of identity theft. Stay proactive by constantly updating your passwords and monitoring your accounts regularly. Educate yourself about phishing scams and other tactics used by identity thieves. Truly understand the importance of keeping your personal information private and secure. Consider additional protective measures such as credit monitoring and secure document storage. Reach out to LifeLock's customer support for any questions or concerns you might have. By following these steps, you can enhance your identity protection with LifeLock and safeguard your financial and personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.